An atom is made up of subatomic particles known as protons, electrons, and neutrons. It was J.J. Thomson who discovered the presence of a negatively charged particle in an atom, and this negatively charged particle is known as electron. It is with the help of the famous cathode ray discharge tube experiment that J.J. Thomson discovered electrons. Protons were discovered by E. Goldstein. Electricity was passed in discharge tube at high voltage through a gas at low pressure taken in the discharge tube. Streams of particles came out of anode. These were earlier known as anode rays or canal rays, which were later named as protons. An atom is therefore made up of subatomic particles known as protons, electrons, and neutrons. A proton is represented by the letter small letter P, small letter N denotes neutron, and small letter E denotes electron. Protons are positively charged, electrons are negatively charged, whereas neutrons are neutral or they do not carry any charge. The charge on a proton is +1. The charge on an electron is -1. Since neutrons are neutral, the charge on a neutron is taken as 0. The mass of a proton is taken as 1 unit. The mass of a neutron is also taken as 1 unit, whereas the mass of an electron is 1 by 1860 times the mass of hydrogen atom. According to Dalton's atomic theory, atoms are indivisible. But the discovery of protons and electrons led to the failure of this aspect of Dalton's atomic theory. So it is necessary to know how the electrons and protons are arranged within an atom. This knowledge of arrangement of protons and electrons within an atom help us to get an idea about the structure of atom. It was Thomson who proposed the first model of atom. According to this model, an atom is considered as a sphere. An atom is considered as a spherical cloud of positive charge. It means that the positive charge is spread over the entire atom, and the electrons are embedded in it. So this is known as Thomson's model of atom. This model of atom proposed by Thomson is known as plum pudding model. Here the atom looks like a Christmas pudding. The electrons are embedded in the atom, and the electrons look like the raisins or the dry fruits present in the pudding. Thomson's model of atom also looks like watermelon. According to Thomson's model, an atom is considered to be spherical and the positive charge is spread over the entire atom. It is like the red edible part which is present in a watermelon. The electrons are embedded in an atom. It is like the seeds which are embedded in the watermelon. Thomson proposed that an atom consists of a positively charged sphere and the electrons are embedded in it. An atom is considered to be spherical. The positive charge is spread over the entire atom and the electrons are embedded in it. The negative and the positive charges are equal in magnitude. So the atom as a whole is electrically neutral. We know that an atom is electrically neutral. Though it contains positively charged particles and negatively charged particles, the atom as a whole is electrically neutral. Why is it so? This is because the number of protons present in an atom will be equal to the number of electrons present in an atom. Since the negative and the positive charges are equal in magnitude, the atom will be electrically neutral. In this module, we have studied that an atom is made up of subatomic particles known as protons, electrons, and neutrons. We have also studied Thomson's model of atom. Protons are positively charged, whereas electrons are negatively charged particles. Neutrons are neutral and they do not carry any charge.